Tired of slow 3D printing? Frustrated with flimsy, opaque results? Get ready to revolutionize your projects with Mecpow's 7-kilogram high-speed PETG transparent filament. This isn't your average filament. We're talking blazing fast print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Imagine prototypes in minutes, not hours. Plus, it's universally compatible with most 1.75 millimeter FDM printers, ensuring seamless integration into your workflow. But speed isn't everything. Mecpow's PET is incredibly durable, heat-resistant up to 70 degrees Celsius, and even food-safe. Create strong, reliable parts for demanding applications, from functional tools to stunning crystal-clear displays. Choose from 7 vibrant transparent colors to add a touch of artistry to your designs. We've taken quality seriously. Each spool is vacuum sealed with a desiccant to protect against moisture, ensuring consistent performance. And with C and ROS certifications, you can print with confidence, knowing you're using a safe and environmentally responsible product. Text overlay, limited time offer. For a limited time, get 7 kilograms of this amazing filament, enough for countless projects, at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your 3D printing game. Final shot showing the product packaging and website address. Click the link below to order your Mecpow 7-kilogram high-speed PETG transparent filament now. Supplies are limited, so act fast.